Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can go and delete without moving in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Wondershare Filmora website and download the application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, we have the file, edit, tools, view and export option. Also we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements and split screen options. Also, now let's see how you can actually go and delete without moving in Filmora. You can do it by going and dragging the video here. Now you need to go and drag the video down. So when you did that, now what you need to do is go and put something to delete. So for instance, let's go and click Ctrl B on some parts to delete the video. And you can add the video also, I didn't mention, by clicking on File, Import Media Files, or clicking on Ctrl plus the letter I. Now let's continue. When you go and want to delete something, so you have put this out here, you want to delete it, you can by not clicking anything, you can select it and just click delete on your keyboard and it will be downloaded. That's for all of the parts also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.